Hi guys, welcome back to our video again. So today we gotta install the heat shield. Just arrived from USA. We bought it through this website called Bike Bandit, and also swapped the signal light back to the original one. So we bought the smoke version for higher visibility because the current one is a little bit too small for the cars to see it. And also even we ourselves usually can't see whether the light is on. So this is what we're gonna do today to our MXX. So first off, we gotta do the easy stuff first. Just put this on. So interestingly, it's made in Thailand, but we order and ship it through US because we can't find it anywhere except on the US parts store. You can see here we are sprayed with a high temperature black paint, which initially looks something like that. Okay, over 2 months, about 1,500 kilometers, it faded, especially the header area. You can see it very obviously. So we can conclude that repainting the header pipe is pretty much redundant. Okay, just putting both screws back. Interestingly, that these two bolt holes are not really aligned. We are still short a little bit, so we gotta file this area to match the hole. This is interesting, probably because the nut is, I don't know, maybe a bit bigger, but doesn't look like it. Okay, we will file off this part and see how it goes. We thought it's an easy job, so after 20 minutes of filing, we managed to get both of the hole fully fitted into this. So now all we need to do is just to put them back and then tighten it. So actually I wanted to respray this part to black, but come to think of it, if it will fade over time, then what's the point? It seems like after securing it to the max, it's still a bit loose, so probably we gotta add in some washer. So we will place the washer underneath here, then the cover, then the screw. Probably I need to do it with both hands, so we will switch the video right back. So something like this. Okay, so you see the washer inside, and then followed by the nut. So right now all we need to do is just tighten this two bolt and see whether it shakes. Okay, so now it's more or less firm. Good. So we'll move on to the signal light. Now, in order to take out this, there's 4 bolts. You want 2 and then to another side. So we just need to loosen this Allen key and then take out the bolt. After we've taken out all the 4 screws, so we should be able to remove this head cowl. Okay, so now we need to unplug a few plugs, which is the headlight, the signal, and then this little screw here that is holding on to the cable. Okay, so we have unplugged the headlight and the 2 signal lights. So now we just need to take this screw out, and then we are able to detach the whole thing. We also take out the relay. This is the relay, and then this assembly is out. Okay, if you look closely on the inspection, there's 3 lines here. So one is mainly for daytime running light. Because this is a LED circuit, so that's why there is 4 on the other end. But whoever did this just connected 2 to keep it in check lah. So we will just need to reconnect back this original one, which is similar to the Super 4. This will be big enough for oncoming traffic to see you. You have to remove the side holder, which is hold by 2 clips, one here and one at the side here. So all you need to do is just push it out. Okay, so it's out. Okay, all we need to do is just to sort out the cable. This is the part where you adjust your headlight. It's a 8mm, so all you need to do is just loosen it. Okay, so we took it out, and we gotta wash this. It's pretty dusty inside. Now we will have to take out this signal light from this bracket. Okay, so we loosen the screw and then we just take it out. So So based on my understanding and the diagram, the positive is orange and green. So you can see here yellow is positive, black is generally negative. So if you're using this, then the red should goes to the orange, black should goes to the green, and blue should goes to this stripe color. And then we will try to connect this in and test whether our theory works before we assemble everything back here together. So we connected this tree accordingly: orange to red, green to black, and orange white stripe to blue. We will connect this back to the terminal, switch on the bike, turn on the signal, and see how it goes. So this is the moment of truth. Turn on, oh, it lights up, nice. And then signal, okay, it works. So we'll go back to do all the rest of the connections. We bought this plug, okay, this plug. Okay, so as you can see here, the golden part, which is the screw, doesn't really fit. So no choice, we have to file it to enlarge it in order for the screw to work. So we have to, elbow grease lah, just file it. Okay, so after some filing, you see the screw managed to go in. So now we gotta tighten it. Okay, so now we gotta connect this back here and then tape it up so it doesn't interfere with one another. So this is the end result. Just tape it and screw it so ensure it's tightened. Now both sides are done up, and then what you need to do now is to fit it back to the headlight, and then we can put it back to the bike. Okay, we gotta hook all this back and then clip the cover. We hook this excess wire to this clip. It was provided, so it has a function to it, and now it should be ready to be installed back. Okay, so now all we have to do is just connect all this. We put the relay back first. Okay, and then this is the headlight plug, so connect it back. This is here and this is here. So now we are tapping back this screw that holds the line. So we cable tie up the excess so it doesn't dangle all around, and then we will just put it back. So first off, we have to cut off the excess, and then the next part is just fitting all these 4 parts into the screw hole. Okay, then we just need to tighten all the 4 nuts, and we are good to go. So based on observation, there's a few screws that we need to remove. So the one here, then here, here, these 2 here. We can take this out. Okay, probably we gotta wash this, it's pretty dirty. Okay, so this part is pretty straightforward. We can loosen it by hand. So all we need to do is just take it out. So now we will put in this cable. We will tighten it. Looks good. Okay, so there's this leaf here. So once you remove it, you will see all this. These are the proper connection. You can just pin it in. However, you have to pin it through the sleeve in order for it to have some sort of water protection. So this is the right way. So once it's done, we can just push the sleeve up to cover this portion, and we will check if the signal light works. Okay. So last but not least, we will put back this cover back. Alright, so the cover is back and we are all done. So thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.